Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Lidl Plus card. First, you need to download the app. Go to your phone's app store. If you are using Android, open the Google Play Store. Look for the official app by Lidl and tap Install. Now you need to create your account. When you open the app, you will be asked to select your country. After that, you will see the registration form. Enter your personal details carefully. Type your full name, your email address, and your date of birth. Make sure you are at least 18 years old, because this is required to use the app. Next, enter your mobile phone number. After you do this, you will receive a text message with a verification code. Check your messages, copy the code, and enter it into the app to confirm your identity. Once your account is verified, you are ready to access your digital card. On the home screen of the app, look at the bottom area. You will see a floating blue button. Tap on it. This will open your Lidl Plus card. A QR code will appear on your screen. This code works as your digital Lidl Plus card. At the checkout, open the app and show the code to the cashier. They will scan it, and your card will be applied to your purchase. Make sure your screen is clear and easy to read. After it is scanned, you can continue with your payment as usual. Thanks for watching.